Okay, I've got the pump assembly back together. I've cut a little bit more material out so you can see the swash plate and everything. Basically just going to demonstrate the movement of the pistons and swash plate. Start off nice and slow. That's only at 20 volts. Basically, this is all it does. It's just pushing these three pistons here. Got quite a bit of torque actually as well when you push on them. But as the pistons are doing that, they're drawing water in through the chamber out here into the cylinder and compressing it through into this chamber here, which is the discharge. And as it's doing that, it's stuffing more and more water into here, increasing the pressure. That just goes on the end like that, except can't really put it on while it's running, but that's basically what covers up the pistons and everything. We'll bring it up a little bit faster. Better put the camera strap on because we don't want that ending up inside it. That was only at 60 volts, so you can imagine how fast it will be doing that at 240. I'm not going to bring it up to 240 because it will probably go flying off the table if that impeller hits it. But that's basically that's the movement of a pressure washer. That's how they work. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you found that a bit interesting and a bit informative, should I say. Apologies I can't pull that one apart as much as I'd really love to, but that just works too good. Anyway, thanks for watching.